Welcome on another video. On this video we have unboxing. So let's see what's inside. Ta-da! So let's go what's inside and then show my post address. Ta-da! And there it is, the smart battery charger for, also you see, XTAR, power in your hands. Wow. Now your batteries, of course. For these beauties. This is for my built battery pack for Ninja Atmos. So let's see and try how it works. Oh, it's been opened. See, that's bad signs. It's no good sign. Wow. Look at that. Ooh, I have Christmas. I keep manual. I will study. You know. And get some power charger. Of course, it's short wire. It's like always. It will be big. Maybe, or maybe no. Right. So it's normal. So let's start. Wow, look at that. So let's try. Pause. I have trouble with this battery. Oh, it's totally dead. Look at that. Mode, currency, mode, capacity. Oh, how much? Oh, 11, 12. That's not so far. Right. Currency and charging. 4.5 watts. How much need? 3.7. That's a lot. That's a lot. So let's see the detail. So here it is. Now you can see how much it is. 4.10 watts in one cell. Do you know? Now with mode or currency, yeah, you can choose the currency. I keep automatically with currency button, mode. Now we'll see the currency, how much, and capacity. You can check. So all 124. All 35 mega ohms. It's a little bit open. Let's try another. Let's try another. Oh, 3.6 volts. This is disgusting. 3.6 volt. And this bank. This is lithium. Oh, we can try different kind of battery. This is neem. So let's try in the same charger. So what is that? Oh, this is Leon too. Wow, this is Leon too. Right? Yeah, it's really nice, smart battery charger. You can charge any kind of battery cells. Lithium, nickel, cadmium, whatever. So yeah, as currency I choose 500 milliamperes. Do you see? 500 milliamperes. We can do more, but we don't need more. I don't need damage the cells. On fully service. Yeah, that's all. And see you next time. Bye. Thanks for watching.